This is super easy to make, and you only need some plain parchment paper, colored pencils, or markers.
Before we get started, remember to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell.
Let's get started! So for this DIY, you're going to need some parchment paper, and I decided to get some plain parchment paper with no logo or words or grid or anything on it, because I think that would work best for this. And you will need some scissors, you will need some markers. You can use any type of markers. It can be washable markers, Sharpies, or anything that you have laying around. Washable markers actually work really well, I found out, so I recommend that you use those. And you're also going to need a black marker too for the outline of everything. So first you're going to take your parchment paper and cut it out to any size that you need. I already cut mine out ahead of time, but I'm just going to do a little trim right here just to make it even. I don't want it to be uneven. And by the way, this parchment paper, it was like sheets all in a box, so it wasn't a whole roll, and that's really helpful when you're making this project. So I highly recommend you try to find some like those if you're going to be making this. I think that's a little good. It's not perfect, but it'll work. So open it up. There's also a crease in it, but once again, that's perfectly fine. So this is what you're going to be using to draw. And now you want to take your black marker and draw out the outline for your stained glass. Also, if you want to, if you're using a Sharpie, you could definitely put a placemat or newspaper underneath it, because that really helps, because the Sharpie can bleed through really easily. So that's helpful, but I'm just using a normal marker, so I think that would be fine. And also I decided that I'm going to be drawing the cat from one of our previous videos. It's called How to Draw a Cat, and Juliet taught you how to draw it. I will leave it linked in the description below, as well in the cards, so then you can easily find it if you're interested in drawing the same thing. Okay, so now I have my finished cat. One ear actually turned out a little bigger than the other, so if you wanted to, you could definitely use pencil first. That would be really actually very helpful for this. But also another thing, you may want to kind of let the marker dry, because it can smudge a little, but if you let it dry, it should hopefully be fine. It may not be the best, so if you want to, you could definitely use Sharpie. That might make it work a little better. But I'm going to be coloring my cat orange, just like the one I did in the video. The best. I don't really think it looks the best. It kind of turned out as more of a brown cat than orange. I realized that maybe washable markers won't stick the best, so yeah, maybe use Sharpies instead. That might work better, or even colored pencils. Colored pencils will probably work too, or grid. Just, I don't know. I don't know if Sharpies or any washable markers like these are the best, but you guys can choose what you want to do. Maybe I just need to let them dry, I'm not really sure. But I think it should look really nice in the window. So guys, as you can see, when I hold it up to the sun, it glows. It looks pretty cool. As I said before, it's kind of a brown cat, but it works. This is actually the roof of our front porch. It's kind of cool. I wish I could love it. But yeah. This really works, and it is so cute. It's perfect to put in your window as a nice decoration, as you could give it as a gift, or you could like draw one out for a little sibling or something, have them color, and they can hang it up in the window. And yeah, and it almost looks just as good as this unicorn here that Juliet painted. This was a kit, but
It wasn't parchment paper.
no, that is plastic and paint, but that still looks good. So I think it looks really, really cute.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to us, and also turn on notifications so you get notified every single time we post a new video.